Hey guys, Rahul here with Team Raj Jaggi. Today we're bringing to you guys another toy drive. For those of you guys that have been following us, we did a toys drive last time during Christmas. This time around, for all our brothers and sisters that practice Islam and are fasting during the month of Ramadan, we've actually partnered up with Toys for Eid and we're going to be donating to them. So Toys for Eid is a really cool charities type concept, which is set up by a couple of my friends, including Hamza. And what he's done is they get all the supercars together and they go and donate all these great toys and at the end of Ramadan to kids that are in need. So what we've set up is a fundraiser, and what we're doing is Team Raj Jaggi's office is a place where you can come in and drop off toys until next Friday. So next Friday, which is May 14th, you can come into our office anytime between 9 to 5, come drop off a toy, and we're going to be donating these toys to kids in needs. The event date is on May 16th, which is a Sunday after Eid, and it's at 2140 Bronx Parkway East, right next to the Bronx Zoo. So if you want, you can come there at 12 o'clock. You can make your donations there directly as well. And if you're watching this video and you have kids that like supercars, we got a lot of cool cars coming there, including Lamborghinis, Ferraris, BMW i8s, Aston Martins, and other really cool exotics. So if you like cars and you like to make donations and you like to give back to charity, this is a great event. Team Raj Jaggi will be there and we'll be giving back. And we hope to see you there as well.